Good Wednesday morning, September 1st, rabbit. It is hike day number 28. Hiking up and out of the Geo shelter campsite area. Stayed on a tent platform last night. I rolled in at about 7:30 or so, maybe a little after. Little warm up in the morning. I'll be sweating before no time. Got some nice cold, damp clothing on I was wearing yesterday. Got about 17 miles to get to Franconia Notch. And I think I'm gonna stay at a hostel tonight. Possibly take a Zero tomorrow, or a Nero. Rest up a little bit. Nothing like hiking a mile uphill back to the trail. Just shortly before noontime. That looks like the top over there. That's where I'm headed though. That's the top of Garfield. So I gotta go all the way down, up to Lafayette, Little Haystack, Lincoln, and then down to the road. Call it a day. Check out this view. That's Galehead Hut. I'm pretty sure, you probably can't tell, but the top up there would be Geo. And then it looks like Washington and the presidential's out behind it over there. It's nice and clear today. That's good. Probably good climbing. Cool, and it's not super windy right now. But damn, that's a hell of a view. Hey, you want snacks? I'll hook you up. Come on. Come here. What's up, little buddy? You want a snack? That's where I was a little while ago, on the top of Garfield. Came down, heading up here. Still gotta go up to Mount Lafayette right there. I actually think it's further than that. That's just the high point I can see right now. But good golly, do I love this type of hiking. Above tree line, dry, cool, breezy. I'm a happy hiker today. Summit of Mount Lafayette. It's about a little after 2. That's where I came from. And that's where I'm going. And then after that, I'm going over there. How about them apples? This is probably one of the most beautiful ridge walks. Definitely the top 5. I'd say Tableland to Katahdin is the winner. followed closely by the entire Prezi range. But this is just so obvious where the trail goes to the next peak. It's even more impressive when you're coming from Lincoln and going up to Lafayette. It feels like a very triumphant hike. Getting closer. And that makes 3 for the day. Garfield, Lafayette, and now Lincoln. Yee! Circles! I gotta go down that to a little haystack and then down to the road. Oh yeah! Feeling good? Let's get this show on the road. Well, I figured since I'm in the neighborhood, might as well do another 4,000 footer today. Bam! Made it to the top of Liberty. It was just up over there. Time to head down. Hey, you're still watching. Thanks. Wrapping up a 17-mile plus day with 4,000 footers summited. Garfield, Lafayette, Lincoln, and Liberty. It's almost 5 o'clock. Started my day at about 7:30. Yeah, walking down to the road. I got to hitch a ride. So I'm staying at a hostel tonight because we're getting the remnants of Hurricane Ida. So it's been a few days since I've showered and cleaned up. And yeah, why sit in my tent in the rain when I can sit in a cabin in the rain? I'll take that. Because as I've said before, treat yourself. This is a big day. It was over 4,000 feet of elevation gain and over 7,000 feet of descent. So my dogs are hurting.